Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Arduino R4 lessons, and after watching lesson number 71 I think I know what he will ask us to do next, which is to be able to control the number of blinks and the blink speed from the PyQt program. I'm getting a bit ahead of myself because I'm not here next week because I'm going back to the UK for my birthday. Hurrah! So here I'll just show you what I've done to my programs. This is the Arduino program from lesson number 70, and all I've done is I'm passing two more parameters to the program, and in this string array, that string array there, and the first one is the number of blinks, and I'm multiplying it by 2 because I'm doing a toggle rather than a blink, as I explained last week. That bit there was just a 10 before for 5 blinks, and then that's just the delay time in milliseconds, so that's all fairly easy. Now, what have I done to the PyQt? I've added a combo box, which will be for the number of blinks, and a slider, which is a slider which is for the speed of the blinking, and apart from that, nothing, and that function there is just what is called when the combo box is updated, and it's saving the value to a dictionary, because I don't want, the dictionaries are down here, dictionary. I don't want to have to name any of the widgets because it seems a bit stupid to name the widgets when you don't need to. So there's a dictionary, and it would be like red and blink 5 times, green blink 8 times, well no, it won't go up to 8, 4 times, etc. And the same thing for the delay time in milliseconds. I'm storing that dictionary. So we come down here, doobie-doo. The only widget that I've actually named is the label, and here we go. I'm adding a combo box layout and a slider layout to the main layout. And what else have I done? Oh yes, I've just got rid of the blue button because it was making it look a bit cluttered, and as I haven't got blue connected, it didn't really do a lot. Right, and here, if it's a yellow button, this is a bit of a fudge, because if I had aquamarine or something, I'd have the same problem. If it's yellow, I put the text of the button in black and the text of the label in black. Otherwise, I leave it as it was, as in the colour of the text on the button is white, and the label text is its own colour. Everything else is the same, right, until we get, that's just the label for blinks. And here, this is when I'm setting up the combo box. Now, there was something, they might have mended it, but they haven't changed the documentation, so I cannot find out how to do it. Supposedly you can't do it. You can't set up the items for a combo box in the constructor, which is why I've got a temporary combo box, added the items, added the temporary combo box to there, so that means I don't need names. And the only other thing is, with the slider bar, I wanted to set an initial value for the delay, which is there at the top, delay, and so I put it in the slider, but I wanted to add it to the dictionary as well, because the slider doesn't do anything until you actually slide it, and it's a bit late. Is that it? I think that is it. So I'll just run this program. Right, there's my little thing. So you can see it goes number of blinks and 1 to 5. Delay, I've set that up to being 200 milliseconds. It does go down to 50 or it does go up to 2000. And the same for green and yellow. So first of all, I just blink green. There, that was 1 blink, 200 milliseconds. I can go 4 blinks on, I don't know, a bit slower. And everything still works, so you can still toggle. And if you toggle it and then blink, it will end up on. And everything's down there for you to look at. And apart from that, the writing, you can actually read it. When you toggle yellow, it says yellow toggled on in black. So that's my program, I think.